Hello students, myself Suriraj, Faculty of Physics. Today we are entering into a new chapter, that is Vision and World of Colors. Actually this chapter starts with a concept of human eye, but I am entering into the chapter by discussing the phenomenon called as dispersion. Consider a prism. This is our prism, and assume that a ray of light is traveling into the prism. So now let us consider the ray of light traveling into the prism. This is our ray, and we have to show the direction of ray. At this interface, the interface between air and the glass, prism is made up of glass. So this is the interface between air and the glass. The light undergo dispersion. Yes, light undergo dispersion. That means the light ray will get splitted into 7 component colors. This is red, and this is violet. Red and violet. All other colors are in between red and violet. So at this interface, the light ray will get splitted into 7 component colors. What are the 7 component colors? Yes, VIBGYOR. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The extreme colors are red and violet. At the second interface, then we look at the second interface. At the second interface, the light ray undergo refraction. So the red color undergo refraction, as well as the violet also undergo refraction. And when we place a screen here, when we place a screen there, we will obtain 7 component colors. The arrangement of 7 component colors is technically called as spectrum. This phenomenon is called as dispersion. So what is dispersion? Yes, the splitting of white light into 7 component colors is called as dispersion. Now we have to understand what is the reason behind this optical phenomenon. What is the reason behind dispersion? In air and vacuum, all the 7 component colors, violet, indigo, blue, green, etc., travel with the same velocity. In air and vacuum, they travel in same velocity. What is that velocity? Yes, that velocity is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. This is the velocity of component colors in vacuum as well as air. But when they enter into any other transparent medium, such as glass, the 7 colors show 7 different velocities. Here, when they enter into glass prism, the 7 colors show 7 different velocities. This is the reason or the behind the phenomenon dispersion. Okay, so now we can conclude the session, dispersion. Now we are going to discuss about rainbow. Yes, you are familiar with the phenomenon of rainbow. So to explain rainbow, first of all, we have to consider raindrop. Yes, we have to consider a raindrop. This is our raindrop. Okay, now let us consider a light ray like this. This is the light ray traveling into raindrop. So we have to indicate the direction. So this is our raindrop, and a ray of light is traveling into that raindrop. At this interface between air and water. Yes, raindrop is made up of water. So this is an interface of air and water. At this interface, the light ray undergo The light ray undergo dispersion. Yes, the light ray undergo dispersion. That means red, violet. Where is all other colors? They are in between the extreme colors. 7 colors are there. We only represents the extreme colors, that is red as well as violet. Okay. At the second interface, this is the second interface. At this interface, light ray undergo total internal reflection. Okay, at the second interface, both the rays, the 7 rays undergo total internal reflection. First of all, we can represent violet like this, and we can represent red like this. So both the colors undergo total internal reflection. At the third interface, this is the third side. At the third interface, the light rays undergo refraction. First of all, we will represent that of red, and then we will represent that of violet. So I can write that this is violet and this is red. Now we can see rainbow. 7 colors are here. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red are here. So we can see rainbow. This is the phenomenon behind rainbow. Are you clear? Okay. So our session started with a concept of dispersion. Dispersion is the splitting of white light into 7 component colors. Now we are going to discuss how can recombine the colors. Now we can recombine the 7 colors and we will get white light. So we will discuss it. First of all, consider a prism like this. This is a prism. Okay. Now let us consider a light ray. Now let us consider a light ray traveling like this into the prism. Okay. This is the direction of light ray. You know that at this interface, light undergo dispersion. At that interface, light undergo dispersion. Violet. This violet is here. Then now we are going to recombine these colors. At this surface, the light ray undergo dispersion. At this surface, the light ray undergo recombination. So we are going to recombine these colors. So to recombine these colors, place a prism in an inverted position. Place a prism in an inverted position. So the prism is placed in an inverted position. This is another prism. Okay, now let us complete our ray diagram. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so now let us complete the ray diagram. Again, when the 7 colors will recombine, we obtain white light. Clear? So at this interface, we obtain white light. Sorry. At this interface, we obtain white light. When you place a screen here, you can see white light. This is the recombination of colors. So the 3 topics that we have discussed are, first one, dispersion. The next one is rainbow. And the last one is a recombination of colors. Thank you.